Selected at random from all the correct entries from the latest Midweek Lifestyle competition. Question is Mahendra Rana. And Mahendra has won himself not only a £12,000 brand new DJI Matrice drone, he's also won himself £10,000 in cash. Hello, Mahendra.
Hello.
Hello, Mahendra. It's Christian from BOTB. How are you?
Oh my goodness.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Good, good. And whereabouts are you today? I saw your address is in London, but are you out and about? Are you working?
Yes, I am. At the moment, I'm in London Bridge.
Okay, and what do you do for a job?
I'm doing security.
Ah, security. Are you working today or is it a day off?
I am working.
Ah, you're working. Okay, well, if you've come outside to take the call, thank you very much. I'll be very quick. But I've got some very good news for you, Mahendra. You entered into the BOTB Midweek Lifestyle competition. How you know your Heinz products very well? The question that you answered about which one of these is not a Heinz product, or did you guess?
I know that, but I double-check on research, right, just in case it was the correct answer.
It was correct, yeah. You selected Marmite, which was the correct answer. That is not a Heinz product. Mahendra, the prize that you played for and the prize you've just won, Mahendra, you've just won yourself a brand new DJI drone and £10,000.
Oh.
This is a crazy drone. It's worth £12,000. It's got 3 cameras on it. It's also got a thermal camera and a rangefinder as well. It's an unbelievable piece of equipment. When you saw it in the lineup, did you think, that is something I would love? Or did you think, that's an amazing prize, I'll pick that and probably take the cash alternative? What was going through your head when you selected this one?
Well, basically, certainly I've never seen this kind of prize. And another thing is, just a few weeks ago, we are friends. We're trying to go Himalayan trekking.
Wow.
And that's I'm thinking, okay, this is the right stuff I can see.
If you had this for your trek, that would be unbelievable.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay. But I don't know. I never used the drone before. All right. Okay, I'll go for it. Let's see what happens. All right. And finally, I got it.
Well, Mahendra, massive congratulations. The drone also comes with £10,000 as well. So any idea what you might want to spend some of that money on?
I think, yeah, because I might going to spend that money on my trekking, in Himalayan trekking.
Amazing.
Because I'm planning to go Mount Everest base camp.
No way. Wow. And when do you think you'll do that?
I'm thinking on maybe October, September or October, but it's still not fixed yet.
Okay.
That's the planning with all the friends that we are talking about these things.
Unbelievable. Well, have an incredible time. Stay safe up there. It's an amazing place. But please do stay safe. And Mahendra, a huge congratulations once again. It's an incredible prize to win.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Not a problem. Mahendra, have a great day at work and we'll speak to you a bit later on, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No
Thank
worries.
you very much.
Cheers. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.